What are sampling technique of research? Sampling techniques in research refer to the methods used to select a subset of individuals or items from a larger population for study. The choice of sampling technique depends on various factors, such as the research objectives, population characteristics, resources available, and the desired level of precision. Here are some common sampling techniques. Simpler and ensemble. Every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. Typically achieved using random number generators or drawing lots. Requires a complete list of the population sampling frame. Stratified sampling divides the population into homogeneous subgroups strata based on certain characteristics. Samples are then randomly selected from each stratum. Ensures representation from all subgroups in the population. Systematic sampling selects every nth member from the population after a random starting point. Useful when a complete list of the population is available and ordered. Cluster sampling divides the population into clusters or groups. Randomly selects some clusters and then includes all members of those selected clusters in the sample. Useful when it's difficult to obtain a complete list of the population. Convenient sampling involves selecting individuals who are most conveniently available or accessible to the researcher. Often used for quick or exploratory studies but may not be representative of the population. Snowball sampling starts with a small group of individuals who meet the inclusion criteria. These individuals then refer other potential participants, and the sample grows like a snowball. Commonly used for hard-to-reach or hidden populations. Quota sampling ensure a preparation of specific subgroups in the sample based on predefined quotas. The researcher selects individuals based on specific characteristics until the quotas are filled. Allows for control over the composition of the sample. Purposive sampling involves selecting individuals based on specific criteria relevant to the research question. Useful when the researcher seeks to include individuals with certain characteristics or expertise. Multi-stage sampling involves a combination of two or more sampling techniques. Often used when a population is large and diverse. Each sampling technique has its advantages and limitations, and the choice depends on the research objectives, population characteristics, and available resources. It's essential for researchers to carefully consider which sampling technique is most appropriate for their study to ensure the validity and generalizability of their findings.